So let's review Latent View Analytics IPO. So the IPO of Latent View Analytics opens on 9th November. The company was floated way back in 2006 and its primary area of activity includes data and analytics consulting, advanced predictive analytics, data engineering and digital solutions. Latent View Analytics has worked with 30 out of the Fortune 500 companies, giving them adequate exposure across global digital challenges. Latent View Analytics broadly operates in four sub-verticals: consulting services entails drawing up a digital roadmap for corporate clients. Data trends analysis basically creates the data architecture needed for the digital insights. Business analytics provides clients with simple and incisive insights into problems for actionable solutions. Finally, the digital solutions provides the answer to big digital challenges. The IP of Latent View Analytics, which opens on 9th November and closes on 11th November, will be a combination of fresh offer and offer for sale. While the actual price band is about to be announced, the total issue size will be 600 crore, consisting of a fresh issue of rupees 4,474 crore and an offer for sale of rupees 126 crore. The basis of allotment of Latent View analytics will be finalized on 16th November, while refunds for non-allottees will be initiated on 17th November. The shares will be credited to the demat accounts of eligible applicants on 18th November, and the IPO will list on BSE and NSE on 22nd November. The fresh issue of 474 crore will be used to bankroll the organic and inorganic growth of Latent View Analytics. This will include funding the inorganic acquisitions and mergers. In addition, the funds will also be used to capitalize its subsidiaries to boost growth across markets. The company is a consistently profit-making company. For financial year 21, Latent View Analytics has reported net profits of 91.46 crore on revenues of 326.71 crore, implying net profit margins of 28%. Even in the latest June 21st quarter, the company has reported profit after tax of rupees 22.31 crore and net profit of 24.3%. The company is with a strong presence across India and US and Europe. The combined with exposure to 30 out of Fortune 500 companies, the company brings extensive man years of analytical experience, a privileged client roller coaster, and focus on research and an absolutely scalable model. Consistent profitability is an added boost for the stock. The IPO of Latent View Analytics will be led by managed by Axis Capital, Tong Securities, and ICICI Securities. The company has appointed Link into India as registrar to the IPO. Latent View Analytics remains one of the few pure play analytics properties in India. A lot may still predicate on scalability, management, bandwidth, and implementation.